What's up, TubeU? It's your boy Coyote Mike, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be more of a DIY video. Let me tell you what's going on. I've been having trouble with the tailgate. You know, pulling the latch on the tailgate. When we go to pull it, it doesn't want to open sometimes. So you got to pull it like 5 or 6 times just to get the tailgate to open and drop. But nonetheless, man, it's a quick little DIY. So let me show you guys what that's about. All right, guys. So here we go. So let me close this. I actually got it up. I'm setting up the tripod for you guys, but here we go. So it opens on the second try, but third try. So that's just a pain in the ass. So we're gonna fix that today. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this panel right here. Drop your tailgate. These little screws right here, these little torque screws, you're going to want to pull them out. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you're going to remove those. So let me get that started. I'm going to put you guys up on the tripod and then show you exactly what to do once I get inside there. All right, guys, so here we go. So we're going to pull it apart. Let me take a drink of this coffee real quick. All right, so we're going to start removing these screws. I'm not sure if this is going to work for any other trucks, but if you have the same setup, which I do not know, then you might want to try this to try, because I was already ready to buy a new handle and everything else. Then I came across a video on YouTube, and he did the same procedure right here that I'm going to do. So I'm going to lift this up right here, and then right here inside the internals, let me get you guys moved over here. Might have to adjust the setting here. Give me just a second. Let me focus this camera. All right, so right here, these little I don't know what you want to call these little these pole lines right here. We'll just call them some pole lines. I'm not sure of the right terminology for these, but so these right here, inside these little clip retainers right here, they become worn out after time, and sometimes they just need to get, this little clip opens up, then you just need to reset them, scoot them over a little bit just to tighten them. Let me grab my little pick and let me show you guys exactly what to do. Give me just a minute. All right, so here we go. Got my little pick right here, and you can use whatever you have on hand, screwdriver, or if you got nails. I don't really have any nails, so I'm just gonna pop that open like that. And be careful, because these little tabs, they are plastic and they do wear out over time. So you can see right here the grooves from where the clips are set in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out of the groove, and we're just gonna slide it over just a hair. We're gonna slide it over a couple of grooves. Hope you guys can see that right there. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking it, popping it out, and I'm just putting a little bit more tension on it. Slid it over maybe about 3 little grooves, and oh yeah, that feels tight right there. Yeah, that feels tight. You see how this isn't moving anymore? Before, when I would pull that little pole right here, it would this whole mechanism right here would move back and forth. So let me get this shut down. Let me put a couple of bolts on it before I fasten it all up. I want to make sure that it's actually going to work. And I believe that is a T20. You know what? Let me just fasten them all back up. Let me adjust you guys. All right, here we go. And you guys don't forget, man, got the $500 giveaway going on, man. I'm on the road to 1K, so that's pretty neat. Also, what's good about it is I can also go live now, so that's pretty badass. So I'm gonna figure out exactly how all that live stuff works, and also got a community tab now. So I'm still trying to figure out the whole ins and outs of it, how it works. That one didn't crack down. Didn't tighten either. All right, so put this aside, put that in there, get my coffee so I don't spill it. Watch your heads. All right, so here we go. Let me readjust. All right, so now the moment of truth. Let's see. Bam, how about that? All right, not too bad, not too bad. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, YouTube, I forgot, man. I almost forgot, man, to show you guys what the truck looks like with the new Badger, man. So let me show you guys that. All right, so here we go. So that is the look of the new Coyote badge, the Howler. So comes together real good, man. I like it. Truck's a little dirty. It's been raining down here, but there we go. So that is the Howler. Also got a few more things going on. Oh, let me open this up. So got that going on. Got that right there going on. So I'll give you guys a preview of that. Also installed a new button over here, and I'll tell you guys what that's all about in the next video, man. So you guys stay tuned for that, man. Like I said, we're doing big things, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, so there you go, man. If you're a general contractor like myself, and you know, your tailgate's constantly getting used and abused, and you know, this tailgate latch right here, this handle, it gets probably used, I want to say maybe close to about maybe 300 times a week. So constantly in and out, grabbing tools. So instead of going out and replacing your handle latch right here, try doing that little DIY fix yourself, and you know, save yourself some money. I'm not sure how much they are. I mean, they can't be that expensive, but why replace it when you could just get inside the internals and you know, do it yourself? Quick little fix, man, by just moving over some pole lines there, man. But nonetheless, man, don't forget, I got the $500 giveaway going on. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I am also able to go live now, so that's what's up. So so we'll be doing some big things here on the channel. But nonetheless, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and smash that like button, man. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, it's your boy Coyote Mike.